Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make beautiful tea light candle holders using pistachio shells. Let's get started. Soak pistachio shells in water for a couple of hours or overnight. Using a paper hole punch tool, make holes in the soaked pistachio shells. Take a bottle or any cylinder with a smooth surface. Wrap the bottom part of the bottle with aluminium foil and secure it using masking tape. Fix each pierced pistachio shell one by one onto the bottle using a glue gun. Take some air-dry clay and roll it flat. Place 2 skewers or sticks on both sides of the clay to get an even thickness while rolling. Apply white glue and place the clay sheet at the base of the bottle. Cut out the extra area and smoothen the edges using water. Roll some clay into a rope-like shape and place it around each shell to fill the gaps between them. Smoothen the clay surface using water. Use a skewer to clear off any clay stuck in the holes. After the clay is completely dry, remove the masking tape and gently pull out the tea light holder. Carefully remove the aluminium foil from the inside. Paint the pistachio shell tea light holder with acrylic paints. Now let's see how to create another tea light holder using pistachio shells and hot glue instead of clay. Repeat the same process as before to stick the shells on the base bottle. Pour hot glue in between the gaps of each shell and wait until it dries. Pour a thick layer of hot glue at the base. Dip the bottle in water to let the hot glue harden quickly. Here are 2 more holders made with clay in different design patterns. Finally, let's see how they look after lighting the candles. Our stunning pistachio shell tea light holders are ready to light up your festive space. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative, eco-friendly crafts.